Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some fun projects that I created using the Amy Tangerine Stay Sweet collection. As you guys know, I designed for Peachy Cheap, and they are going to be having a daily deal real soon, later this month, with the collection. So of course I received it to share with you guys some projects of what you can create with it. It is super cute, fun, perfect summer collection, very colorful. I love all the lemons and the limes, the avocados, so cute, you guys. And in the kit you're gonna get the paper pad, and this is the 6x8. Excuse me. You're also gonna get the ephemera pack. I've already dug into mine, that's why it's not in its original packaging. And then you're also going to get a sticker book, which you get a bunch of stickers. You get 2, 4, 6, 8 sheets of alphas and stickers, clear ones, and just a great deal of stickers. You get 445. And then you get the puffy stickers, which who doesn't love a good puffy sticker? So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm going to have linked down below the exact date. I don't know how much it's going to be. You guys know that Peachy Cheap is super affordable, but I'll have definitely the date so that you guys can be on the lookout. And also, if you guys know me, you know that I am always promoting for digital collections, because you guys, if your ephemera packs that come with the original collection are too big, like in this collection, and it's kind of hard to make small embellishments using that type of ephemera because it'll take up the whole project, I like to cut my own ephemera, which is why I purchased the digital collections. And then I can resize them and make them this tiny. And these work out better to use on embellishments, on rosettes, because they're super small and more fitting for a smaller project. So this is the collection that the same collection, but I just cut the ephemera packs myself, and I made them the size that I wanted them for my little embellishment projects and my cards and stuff like that. Even though these big ones are good for cards, which is what I did use, but as far as the small ones, I used them for my smaller embellishments, which I'm about to show you guys. So I of course made some handmade cards, I made some bag toppers, and then I made a cute little goodie bag filled with little flags, which I'm going to show you guys. And if you're watching this video today, I am currently having a week-long giveaway for this little pouch right here filled with all the goodies inside. So definitely go check out my Instagram if you want to enter. And the winner will be announced on Friday, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Everything, you guys, is always linked on my down bar, so don't forget to check that out. And let me show you guys these projects. So the first thing I made were some handmade cards. And this is the first one. I'm going to take it out of the package so you guys can see how it really looks. So here's the first card that I made. I used a ephemera piece from the actual collection. I used some flowers from Michael's, and I did some stitching on some crepe paper. Of course, you guys know I do my layering on my actual cardstock, and then I do like a matting, and I stitched all the way around. I just like the way that looks. And that's the first card that I made. The second one is this one, which I kind of feel like it's my favorite. I just think it looks so cute. It's not super detailed, but I just still like the way it turned out. And this is what it looks like. And I just layered the big house from the actual ephemera pack and one that I printed out. I used this from a sticker pack that I found in my stash, and then of course the little word phrase from the ephemera pack. Stitching as well. And you guys, how cute is this? I love me a handmade card. And then here's the other one. I'll leave this one in the package because I think you could see it. I used some flowers from Michael's, some ephemera pieces, and this is actually 2 tags layered just to give it some dimension. And this one just has some stitching coming down this way. And then the last card, you guys, is it's also another favorite of mine. I think it's so cute, the colors. I love the plaid in the back with the purple. Did some stitching all the way around as well. I used this big ephemera piece that says Summer Vibes. I put a cute little camera and a little strawberry from my smaller ephemera pieces. A little enamel dot on the camera just to give it a little dimension. Some enamel dots right here, and a small little doodlebug doily just for a little background piece. And that's the last card that I made, you guys. So those are all the handmade cards that I made. And then I also made some bag toppers. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen these, and they're just super layered, super embellished little bag toppers with some cute little charms on the side. I used this little like wine charm from Target, some tassels from BB Crafts. These are from BB Crafts. These are from AliExpress. And look how cute they turned out, you guys. Just super layered up with flowers and just all different types of trim. Super cute. Some crepe paper that I fringed. Cute little bow. I love how these turned out. And then this is the other one, which is extremely layered. It's got like a rosette, and then it's got some vellum, a lot of stitching on it. Super cute. This little fish, I put a little googly eye on him. One of these little velvet balls from my paper cherries kit, I think from 2 months ago. We got some little star trim here, one of the little puffy stickers, a little wooden star. Super cute, you guys. These are so fun to make. So those are the bag toppers that I made. And then lastly, I made this pouch. And you guys, I didn't make a tutorial for this, but I followed a super easy one when it came down to this one. The one that I made for Alicia, that one, I went by a total different tutorial, which I'll have that one linked down below as well if you guys want to figure that out. And go check it out. It's super easy to make. She has the best instructions. But this one is from Project Sparkle, and she has a super easy video as well that's really easy to follow, and you guys should definitely go check it out. But this is a cute little pouch that I made. I did Velcro closure because I didn't have anything else. I wanted to do like a zipper or a snap, but I don't have any of that. I'm going to place an order on Amazon and probably try different closures. But you open up the little bag. I'm going to take out all these little embellishments that I made and show you guys the bag. And this is currently being given away on my Instagram. So if you want a chance to win, definitely go check it out. It's separated with the sequins on 2 different sides, as you can see. And you guys, it's just super fun to add your little goodies inside there to gift to a pen pal. But let me show you guys what was inside the bag. I made a bunch of these cute little like flagpoles with little pom-poms and tassels, and of course the little ephemera pieces and paper from Stay Sweet. And let me show you what they look like. Super cute, you guys. These are so fun to make, and I love how they look in the end. Let me grab these other 2. And that's what those look like. So fun. And I'm probably going to end up making another pouch and filling it with rosettes. And then here's the last one. So those are the cute little flags that are inside the pouch and are currently being given away on my Instagram. I also made these clips, but I need to embellish them, and I'll probably add them to another pouch that I also create. I just need to decorate these up. I've already glued them down and they're ready to go. Just a little embellishing. Once I actually finish them up, I will definitely post them up on Instagram so you guys can check them out. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I see you. And yeah, I'm trying to film as much as I can. You guys know that I try to fit it in as much as I can within fitting in time to do projects as well, because I want to be able to create and show you guys some stuff. But yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy your Sunday and have a great week, and I will be back as soon as I can. Bye guys.